India, all major religious traditions live together here. The other day, newspaper, you see, report come. One Punjabi area, the local population, the southern Sikhs, about 4,000. Then Hindu, 400. The Muslim, 400. Very small. But the local people helped to construct mosque for 400 Muslims. That's India.
Yeah.
Over 1,000 years, religious harmony there. This is really India's greatness.
Yes.
The religious harmony is still there. Now, what is lacking? Now, education about our emotion and transforming our emotion, not through prayer, but training our own mind. That is unique thing about India.